Welcome to today's mathematics class. In today's class, we are going to provide solution to this beautiful exponential equation. We have the square root of 8 raised to x minus 2 equal to 4 exponent x, then all over 1 over 28, all over 128 rather. So we solve for x, solve for x. That's what we want here. So let us go. First of all, we are going to reduce everything to the lowest base. That is number 1. And another thing, we are going to reduce each of the base. Now look at 8. This is 4. And this is just a number. We are going to express this one in index form. Then at the end of the day, we break everything down to the lowest base, which is 2. 2 is the lowest base here. So we are going to express everything to its lowest base. And first of all, this radical, we need to remove this radical, okay? We need to remove this radical. How do we do that? So remember, one of the laws of indices, if I have a raised to what? 1 over n, it's sitting as the nth roots of a. So which means here is already in this form. So we are going to transfer this now to this first form. Okay, good. So our left-hand side, let's go solution. Our left-hand side here becomes 8 exponents negative 2, then raised to what? 1 over 2 because of that roots. Then gives us equal to 4 exponent x. Now, all over inside is 1, 2, 8. We're having 2 raised to 7. 2 exponent 7. That's what it means. Now let us go. We can cross multiply, or we just do it in another way. Let's go. This 2 here is going to multiply here according to the law that says a raised over m, then having n outside becomes a raised over m n. So we're going to do that. So if you multiply half by this here, becomes 8 raised over x minus 2, then all over 2. That gives us 4 exponent x all over 2 exponent 7. So let us not waste time. Let's break everything. Since this one is already in 2 exponent 7, let's break 4. 8 will give us 2 raised over 3. It will multiply this here, which is x minus 2 all over 2. Then equal to, here becomes 2 raised over 2 because it will multiply that x, becomes 2x. Now all over 2 exponent 7. So let us apply this law. A raised to power m all over a raised to power n equal to a raised to power m minus n. Remember this law of indices. Apply it here. Here, we then have 2 exponent 3. We multiply the brackets. That is x minus 2. Then everything over 2 equal to 2 exponent 2x minus 7. So that is it. So here we are going. We can then remove the bases. We have a 3 into x minus 2 all over 2 equal to 2x minus 7. So let's cross multiply now. If we cross multiply, we can have 3 into x minus 2. Then this 2 multiply this becomes 2 into 2x minus 7. So now distribute what is outside the bracket to inside. 3 times x gives us 3x times 2 gives us minus 6 equal to 4x minus 14. Collect the like terms. Move this to this, or you move 3 to this. Anyhow you just move 3x. Then moving this one to the left becomes negative 4x. Then move this positive, this is negative 6 to the right. Here we're having negative 14. Now move this one, becomes plus 6. 3 minus 4 is minus x. Then equal to minus 14 plus 6 is what? Minus 8. So negative take care of negative. So x equal to 8. So this is your answer. I hope you understood this solution. Help us to share the post so we can reach out to greater number of students. Bye.